Today, we're gonna make a classic looking drink.
If you wanted to know
There it is.
what you can do with green chartreuse and mezcal, what a crazy combination. Watch this video.
He's been drinking enough, he can do lead-ins now. Welcome to Cotton Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are gonna make for you a cocktail called, I'm buying time, the Oaxacan Jewel.
Sorry, Philip.
Different than the Jewel of Oaxaca, which is a completely different
Oaxaca. Wait, wait, what?
There's a drink called the Jewel of Oaxaca. This is called the Oaxacan Jewel. It was named by the submitter Steve Dinsmore. Because
Steve
Jewel...
or Steve?
Steve?
S-T-E-V-E. Steve.
Okay. Steve.
Unless it's German, because then it's an F. How's that?
If you say so.
The executive producers, I'm a shrew. Oh my god!
What are you doing?
I have no idea.
What's happening?
That's what I was asking myself. I'm like, something's he's blowing in my ear right now.
Alright.
Now I'm hard. What's going on? Listen. The recipe's going to be 1 ounce of all these ingredients. Mezcal, green chartreuse, Carpano Antica, which is a sweet vermouth, and a dash of mole bitters. This is based on Harry Johnson's cocktail, the Bijou. Bijou. That I haven't made on the show because I didn't have green chartreuse. I bought green chartreuse so I could make this drink and the last drink we made with this.
And then next month we'll make the Bijou.
Exactly. Wow. You're like fucking reading my mind.
Holy shit.
It's like you know who I am. It's like you're
It's almost like we stand next to each other.
It's like you're inside my brain.
Hey, that's what I do.
Is that gone?
That's
No,
scary.
there's plenty in there, but this thing.
The stopper. I fixed the other stopper that we had.
Yeah, you kind of just really gotta just do it.
Didn't you have this issue 2 months ago? And I fixed that one. It's a different one. It gets clogged up with stuff. Or just pour it on the. It's how many dashes? 1 dash.
Yeah. Do it. Ready, set.
Just don't pour the whole thing.
Do it. Do it.
Well, look at his hand shaking. Oh,
Jesus.
that was way more, but that's fine because mole is not spicy, unfortunately. You're gonna stir and strain this into a coupe glass. You got a coupe glass, chilled. Stirring and straining involves him putting ice inside of that stirring mixing glass there, which I think we sell at awesomedrace.com, but I might be sold out. I should buy
But
one.
it'll be there.
Yeah.
So if you need one, you know where to get it.
Well, basically, if I tell you guys something's available in the store, it takes 2 months before you ever buy it anyway. So.
Biju's a great drink.
Biju's a great drink.
Stefan.
Oh my God, Stefan.
Bijou.
Bijou.
Bijou is a great drink.
Bijou.
I think Bijou.
Bijou.
Bijou's a.
He's got me all screwed up.
No,
Bijou, so
yeah.
then I said
Bijou is.
I say Bijou, you say Bijou.
Bijou's a sorghum-based
Creamy
spirit.
liqueur, yeah.
So for those who are like, what the hell's wrong with you? There is something called Bijou, and that's why I'm thinking it, but it's Japanese or something. And so now I sound smart.
We had
I
a
know
sorghum-based liquor.
Yeah. You liked it?
Thinking,
58.
Sochu?
yeah, it's not good.
There's Bijou and there's Sochu.
Sochu's different. My Bijou's not over here. I have
we just had some in Taiwan.
Bijou's,
There's some strong
it's
shit.
a weird stuff. Weird.
I don't know, it just tasted like
Sorghum?
it was like a vodka almost.
Yeah.
It was like it was no, it was like almost an unaged whiskey.
Yeah,
That's kind of what it tastes like.
like a white dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think white dog's better. Dude!
You're the Walter White of mixing, Ian.
Why? Because
Because I'm bald?
he's gonna
No,
murder
'cause
him.
Eric said
He's
so.
gonna kill himself someday.
Thanks, Eric.
Oh, did I just give away
He
the
didn't
Yeah.
kill himself, did he? I never saw the last season.
Fuck.
Oh,
I guess I don't have to.
Walter White? What is
He killed himself, yeah.
from what?
Doesn't he?
Breaking Bad.
Oh, Breaking Bad. I didn't watch it.
I thought he
Now you don't have to.
He dies in the end.
You're asking the wrong person.
She has to remember shit. We watch comedy shows and she's like, oh, I've seen this? Yeah!
Goldfish.
There you go. It looks just like a
Yeah, no, this was
Bijou
Bijou.
cocktail would look like, right? Now we're gonna try
His
this.
face is spirit.
Ready? Here we go.
Did you even drink that?
Did you hear him? That was the most vocal drink I've ever heard.
No, it
I know, but it was like
There's a lot of noise and very little action. A lot of noise, little action.
he was just like,
Yeah, right?
I feel like that's not making anyone want to drink.
No.
That doesn't help you. Sounds like you're molesting the cup.
Oh, Dan the molester. That cup is never gonna be the same.
holy shit! Is there a lot of fucking
It's all booze.
licorice?
Licorice.
No,
Licorice,
that
that's
don't
this?
go
No,
to
the
me.
chartreuse. Nope.
Really?
That does not.
You're gonna love this drink.
I'm not even gonna try it.
What?
It is.
Nope.
Come on, you try
That's good.
everything.
Not licorice.
Strong, it's potent, but
I don't get licorice.
You
don't
like
licorice?
that taste though.
Yeah, I like
You don't get licorice?
Like black licorice?
Do you taste licorice in this?
You guys are all off tonight.
what's
No,
wrong with
everyone's tasting different things.
What the fuck's wrong
I
with
taste the
And
herbalness
everyone's
of the
making the
chartreuse.
weirdest faces. Everyone's
Yeah, but it's like a licorice. Yeah.
It's
messing
herbs,
with you,
but I
man.
don't know if there's licorice.
It's herbal. No, it'll probably. I mean, it
Actually,
should
I
have
guess I
some
can see
anise
that,
flavor, but
yeah.
that's not one.
I think can bring that.
But it's not the one that I would think has the most. I would think
No.
like the fennel flavor comes from, well, besides Fernet.
But
No,
when
that's
it's
Yucca
mixed
with
with, that's that obnoxious bottle. Harvey Wallbanger obnoxious bottle.
Galliano.
Between that
Absinthe.
and the vermouth.
Yeah, sometimes when you mix chartreuse with stuff,
Yeah.
it can give that flavor.
You know,
Well, it's definitely like the herbaceous. You don't get like licorice, like
I get like herbs.
Like
an
an anise?
Benedictine.
I taste like a
Benedictine. But
I
it's
feel
kinda
like it's
has
like
an
a-
anise taste to it.
no, it's
You're
like
trying
a
to make me
bathtub.
look crazy.
It's like a
don't
monk.
have to try.
You're just
It just happens.
This is like what happens.
both of you are making me look crazy.
I'm waiting for it. I don't know. I mean, it's a little herbal. The thing is, it doesn't taste like a. It's not like a mezcal. This wouldn't be what I call a mezcal drink.
Doing.
No, the mezcal
It's like
starts to come
juice.
through.
When? To me, it tastes like a
You gotta have a couple sips.
classy.
Well, chartreuse and the
They're really strong.
Carbo Antica,
The bitterness. The
Pano Antica are very strong flavors.
yeah. I mean, I get that. It tastes like. Is it a Manhattan? Something like that. Like
Greenpoint.
green point.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like a green
Yeah.
point. Holy shit.
Like taste more of it. Like kind of take like a
Around the
good
block.
size sip, and you'll start to kind of taste the mezcal. It comes through.
My kidneys aren't hurting because I've never drank before. And I know my drinks. So I'm so surprised when I throw out a
Ooh,
It's
you know,
it's earthy. It's herbaceous.
you don't get any mezcal in that?
Maybe in the finish a little bit.
Yeah.
But I like my mezcal like to kick me in the teeth a little bit more, I think. I mean, this tastes so classy.
Well, there's a
to
$20 donation that we can take care of that with.
me. We
Yeah.
already did that one, didn't we?
No, there was
That was
another one.
another one.
No, it's another
For
one.
the Bijou.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who gets the spankings?
Not me. I already got like 6, and nobody even did anything.
If you like, that's true. That's true. That did happen.
So that was for the $20 that
Yeah.
Dan already got hit.
Oh,
my
so
bum.
I said I'm a shrew.
Bomb.
Subscribe to the show.
The tiny honey.
It's the bell icon if you want to get episode updates every Thursday
That wasn't a good
to
one.
get all
thank
the
God.
craziness that's
'Cause
happening.
that would hurt.
That's very good.
We got one more drink for Mezcal month to truly, to truly appreciate it. I believe that was the drink I had Jennifer look up that has muddled cardamom pods in it.
Oh, look at that. We're going to use these.
Yeah.
Next show. You guys
So-
are definitely going to want to watch.
Ian's gonna level up his skills. It's
So you
probably
should
the more
subscribe
complicated
so you
of
know
all
when
of
it
them.
comes out.
Right. How else are you gonna know that it's gonna be on a Thursday at 7?
That's right.
Right. You have to subscribe and then
And
click
you
on
have
the
to
bell icon.
subscribe. Click on the bell. It's
And
somewhere
then
on your screen.
right. And then you can always, if you're in the market for cocktail accessories, gear, coupe glasses, Chicago highballs. Oh, I'm missing a Chicago highball. Did we make a
See
drink of
that?
this yet? Oh, whatever.
Those are great glasses.
AwesomeDrinks.com. You can use coupon code MEZCAL because it's Mezcal month. It makes sense.
Yeah.
This mezcal, which I haven't mentioned, is Leyenda. This is a Oaxacan. It's from the Oaxaca region. It's got not as much smoke as I would kind of hope, but they have a
Yeah.
Durango, which we can't get in New Hampshire yet apparently, but that one's supposed to have a lot more smoke to it. This is $68 we spent for that mezcal. That's a lot of money.
It's good. I think it comes through. The more you kind of drink.
It's
more it
it's
does.
a little bit too classy for me. I feel like I should put my pinky out when I drink it, but you know, it's just me.
This drink?
Yeah. It needs more moly bitters.
Really, he put a good amount in there.
I know, but I like bitters and whatnot.
Yeah, but
like
these two things together are going to overpower
That
a
is,
lot.
yeah, that's the deal. It's those two right
Yeah.
there by themselves. Anything you put in the middle is going to have to battle to get
Maybe this with a really smoky mezcal, like
it. You
the
got like the
the
Fidencio?
Fidencio.
Yeah, that would do it. We have a video on the Fidencio up there. You might be able to see it before. I'm just gonna talk for about 8 seconds so that it slides away, because the next thing we're gonna show you is there's gonna be a sidebar popping up on the side near where Ian's cleaning, because he gets distracted easy and he just starts cleaning shit.
Trying to unplug your plunger.
He's trying to unplug my plunger. Top of that, you can find all our mezcal drinks. Down below is, well, on the side is going to be all our tequila playlists. Down below is the bartender starter kit. If you're new to cocktails and you need a starter kit with your shakers and all your measuring gear, that's supplied. You can use our coupon code to even save money on it.
Do it.
That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.